The Congress party still hasn't told us whether Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be fighting from Amethi and Raebareli or not. Remember, tomorrow is the last day of filing nominations for this seat. Meanwhile, new posters of Rahul and Priyanka started coming up at the Congress and Congress office in Amethi and Raebareli both. Rahul's posters in Amethi and Priyanka's posters in Raebareli. Now, does this necessarily mean something? We don't know. But the posters are being put out this evening. Permissions have been sought for rallies. Tomorrow, Preeti Chaudhary joins us. She's with her motorcycle at Amethi at the Congress office right now with her election dispatch. Preeti, what does this poster mean? You're speaking to these people. Have they got any indication at all, the Congress workers on the ground, that Rahul Gandhi will contest, or it could be somebody else in his posters there just because he's the leader? Do you have any clarity yet?
They have no clarity, but what they say is that they've been told, and there's also permission that has been given Rahul here for a 1500 motorcade road show tomorrow in Amethi. It's been sought and the permission has been given. Now, there is a sense here, the cadre who's been sitting, for days at end, hoping that it is going to be Rahul Gandhi. I'll ask my camera person, Hitesh, to just come and give you a sense. I have with me, क्या लग रहा है? आपने दोपहर में मुझे बताया था कि राहुल गांधी का नाम आएगा, अभी तक तो आया नहीं।
मैं तो आपको दोपहर में बताया था, मैं आपको फिर कह रहा हूँ, आप सुबह नामांकन में राहुल जी के 11 बजे सादर आमंत्रित हैं। मैं तो अभी भी यही चीज कह रहा हूँ।
कौन, किसने बताया?
हम लोगों की स्ट्रेटजी ये है कि बस स्मृति ईरानी और टीम बीजेपी को एक रात और सुकून से सोने नहीं देंगे। हम लोग उनको परेशान करके रखेंगे और सुबह हम अपना नामांकन इत्मीनान से करेंगे। हमारी तैयारियां पूरी हो गई हैं। हमारा हर बूथ से 5-5 यूथ और 5 जो सीनियर कांग्रेसी हैं, 10-10 लोगों की टीम यहाँ पे आ रही है। हम लोग पूरी तरीके से दिल खोल करके नामांकन करेंगे। हम लोगों ने अपनी पूरी तैयारियां कर रखी हैं। हमने अपने रथ सजाने के लिए दे रखे हैं। हमने सारी
रोड शो की परमिशन मिल गई है।
रोड शो की परमिशन मिले या ना मिले, जनता जुनून में है। जनता अपने नेता
बताइए, अगर नाम नहीं अनाउंस हुआ, मैं फिर वो सवाल करूं।
आप वट की बातें मत करिए। मैं आपसे बार बार यही कर रहा हूं, जनता ने एकदम तय कर लिया है अपना नेता चुनने के लिए, और राहुल भैया भी अमेठी की भावनाओं की कदर करते हुए सुबह जो है फुर्सतगंज एयरपोर्ट पे उतरेंगे और उसके बाद सीधा कलेक्ट्रेट जाकर के नामांकन दाखिल करेंगे और पर्चा तो खरीद लिया गया।
There's a sense of excitement, you'd say, Rahul, but I want to bring in, he calls himself, क्या बोलते हो अपने आप को? पूर्व
अंधभक्त।
पूर्व
अंधभक्त, क्योंकि 2019 में मैंने बीजेपी को वोट करके पाप किया था और मेरे कई सारी नौजवान साथी हैं जिन्होंने बीजेपी को वोट करके
वोट दिए थे 19 में।
स्मृति ईरानी को जी को दिए थे, लेकिन बेरोजगारी ऐसा मुद्दा है। मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ, मैं MBA किया हुआ हूँ, लेकिन
और अब कांग्रेस से हो?
नहीं, मैं कांग्रेस से नहीं हूँ। मैं अभी आया हूँ बाहर से, इंदौर से पढ़ के, तो मैं यहाँ देखने चला है कि क्या माहौल है, क्योंकि यहाँ नेशनल न्यूज पे चल रहा है ना।
ये स्टूडेंट है, ये व्यवसायी हैं, ये किसान हैं। लोग घूम घूम करके सिर्फ ये
अच्छा, ये बताइए, अगर मान लीजिए आप, ये तो मतलब बोलने तो दीजिए ना, अगर गांधी परिवार से कोई नहीं होता, मान लीजिए KL शर्मा का नाम अभी अनाउंस हो जाए,
ये दिल मानने को राजी ही नहीं है कि भैया को छोड़ करके कोई और नामांकन भरने आएगा, तो इफबट का सवाल ही नहीं। आप सोचिए कि हम लोगों का भरोसा इस लेवल का है, तो क्या भैया हमारे ये भरोसा तोड़ देंगे? सोचने की बात, मतलब आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं, हम लोग इस चीज को सोच भी नहीं सकते। अमेठी की आवाम इस चीज को सोच भी नहीं सकती है कि राहुल अगर नहीं आएंगे तो ये तो तय है ना।
आपका दिल ना टूटे। राहुल, it's over to you, but you get the sense on the ground right now where the cadre is concerned, very excited, hoping that it is Rahul Gandhi. They're convinced it's going to be the Gandhis.
Well, just the Congress cadre being enthused about Rahul Gandhi's presence isn't enough. They need to swing the rest of Amethi as well. Remember, he lost by 50,000 plus votes. We've got Mausmi Singh joining us. She tracks the Congress party for us. Mausmi, what are your sources in the Congress telling you? Are the sources going to fight, or will we actually know who's going to fight, or will they ultimately just put up these sources who've been doing the talking for the last several days?
See, Rahul, you've seen how the Congress leaders who are speaking out have different versions, the CEC, the screening committee, all proposing Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka's name. And then you have the final word with the Gandhis, and then again it goes back to the CEC. Then again the final word with Mallikarjun Kharge. And 4 days from that CEC meeting, we haven't heard a word about who's going to be the candidate from Amethi and Raebareli. But for Rahul Gandhi saying that whatever the CEC decides, I will abide by it. So it's a big confusion galore right now as far as I can see it. And many in the Congress believe that that this is a big mess up. It's very late in the day if you want to announce another candidate. Very unfair for the new candidate to in fact take all the brunt from the Congress workers as far as, you know, not being a Gandhi and contesting the elections. People will see him as a replacement for him or her, as a replacement for Priyanka or Rahul. So it's a catch-22 situation. What we do know for a fact is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are back in Delhi. They would be talking. Mallikarjun Kharge has had a word with Rahul Gandhi, and I'm told by a senior congressman that by 9 o'clock we should hear on who's contesting these two constituencies.
By 9 o'clock, which is just like in 12 minutes from now. That's a dangerous, brave thing for Mausami to do, saying that there will be some information. As of now, there isn't any. You know, the sources are doing all the talking, the Gandhis aren't. We don't know whether they'll bite the bullet or not. It does make things more exciting, but imagine if Rahul Gandhi loses twice over to Smriti Irani, what does it mean for his future political career? But as Mallikarjun Kharge has been saying in these meetings, you know, if you don't fight, then what hope does the Congress have of revival in the Hindi heartland? So it's a double-edged sword. Fight or flee. We will know soon, hopefully. Something more than just sources are saying this and sources are saying that. This is where I wrap up. My sources tell me it's time for Newstrack to end tonight. I'm off to Kashmir over the weekend. Baramulla, Anantnag, Srinagar. So let's see what Naya Kashmir looks like and what the leaders on the ground have to say, and also the voters.